Yo, what's up? Stunner here from Graphics 24. Today I've got a video for you on a DIY vinyl rack. I've been storing my vinyls on the floor, basically keeping them vertical, but they use up a lot of space. So I built a rack that can carry 22 vinyls in total. So I'll be showing you that. Stay tuned. Watch how I built my screen rack, my vinyl rack, and subscribe, like this video, comment, share it. I'll appreciate it. So let's go, let's do this. Let me show you my new, but I'll first show you how I used to store them. Then I'll show you my new vinyl rack. This is how I used to store my vinyl. Standing vertically, cuts in the box, cuts in the boxes. Now, this is what I bought. This is what I bought to store my vinyls. 22 vinyl rolls will fit in there. This one, it's basically one here for the center. I made them double to slot in, to fit in two. Then that one also single on that side. This is how I did it. Just some angle aluminiums. I used a jigsaw, so I'm gonna show you. Let me show you how I'm gonna be putting up my vinyls. Let's see. Okay, so it's gonna go right there and here. Like this. So I'll have all my vinyls going down there. It's about 20, it's about 11 on this side, 11 on this side. It's gonna be 22 in total. It's floating, so we can sweep underneath here. It's solid, it's not moving at all. Yeah, so I hope you've seen how I built my rack. You can build your own for your own shop. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. Please like this video, comment. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll be posting more content. I'll try to post once a week or twice a week. Different content, obviously, because I run a signage shop. I do screen printing, I do vinyl printing, I do signs. I also have some jumping castles, so yeah, you'll never know what content I'll be posting. I also like to talk about business now and then, so I'll be posting that content as well. Once again, please subscribe, like this video, comment. I'll appreciate it. Thank you very much, and peace out.